In today's video, you'll learn how to stop Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. This is helpful if you treat your unread emails as a to-do list, because Outlook often marks messages as read the moment you preview them in the Reading pane or when you move your selection. To prevent that, you'll adjust a few settings so messages stay unread until you choose otherwise. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the File tab in the upper left corner. This opens the Backstage view, where app-level settings are located. On the left side, select Options. In the Outlook Options window, choose Advanced. This section controls deeper behavior settings, including how the Reading pane works. Scroll until you find the Outlook pane section, then click Reading Pane to open its specific options. In the Reading Pane dialog, you'll see two settings that control automatic read status. First, uncheck Mark items as read when viewed in the Reading pane so Outlook won't mark messages as read just because they're previewed. Next, uncheck Mark item as read when the selection changes. This prevents Outlook from marking a message as read the moment you move your cursor away. Clearing both options ensures that simply viewing or clicking through emails won't change their unread status. Once done, click OK to close the Reading pane options and OK again to exit Outlook options. Your changes apply immediately. Now you can browse your inbox freely without losing the unread status on messages you haven't acted on. This is especially useful for fast email triage and keeping track of tasks or follow UPS. If you ever want Outlook to resume marking emails as read automatically, just revisit the same settings and re-enable those checkboxes. That's all you need to take back control of your read and unread indicators. With a quick adjustment, you can stop accidental status changes and keep your inbox organized in a way that supports your workflow. Thanks for watching.